Bilisan si Ma'am
Okay.
Ma'am Chelsea.
Pwede.
Okay.
Introduce sa company
Okay.
si Ma'am
Yes.
Chelsea.
Good afternoon, everyone. And this is a day where we are going to celebrate our first ever introduction of our septillion test. So we have here our presenter, si Sultan Henry Tribunalo, all the way from the Tribunalo. So anyway, ready na siya to present to you. Oh my God, huwag din ako mauna.
Balik. Take two. Ang zaman eh.
Oh, sige. Sige na, ako na yun.
Okay na.
Okay na. Yan na.
Okay, anyway, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the presenter of our septillion alkaline water concentrate. Is Sultan Henry Tribunalo is going to present to you how our septillion can give us light on the electric fan, and of course light on the bulb. So once again, here is our presenter, Mr. Henry Tribunalo. A big round of applause, everybody.
Daghang salamat. Tagalog, good morning, good afternoon, Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon. So, maraming salamat sa Septillion Alkaline Water Concentrate, no? Lalo na sa company CWIC, no? So, ito magandang produkto kasi lahat po mag-benefits, no? So, mag-demo tayo. So, ito po yung tap water galing sa Garipo. Okay? Ito po yung mineral water, any brand. Ito po yung mineral water. Any brand. Mineral water. So, okay. Isa na tayo sa demo. So, ito po yung mineral water, Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon. So, ang mineral water, any brand, is also dead water. So, ito po yung mineral, lahat po tayo mahilig sa mineral, kayo na bahala dyan. No? Ito po yung tap water galing sa Garipo. So, ito po yung umilaw, tapos umikot yung electric fan. So, ito po yung first glass. So, ito po yung mineral water. Is also dead water. So, pangatlo naman, so ito po yung mineral. Okay. So, ito po yung mineral water sa pangatlong glass. Okay, so try natin sa pangatlong mineral water. Pero may halo na itong septillion. Okay, so ulitin natin. Ito po yung mineral water any brand. Ito po yung mineral water any brand. Kasi yung produkto na septillion alkaline water concentrate, sige, lagyan natin ng isang drop, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, 3 drops, 1, 2, 3. So, 5 na. 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ito po yung mineral water nilagyan ng septillion alkaline water concentrate. So, buhay na buhay. What if yung mga pasyente maglaklak nitong septillion alkaline water concentrate, buhay na buhay. Okay? So, balik tayo dito sa pangalawang glass. Ito po yung mineral water na walang halo na septillion. is also dead water. So, balik naman tayo sa first class, yung tap water galing sa Garipo. Buhay na buhay, pati yung electric fan. Okay, balik naman tayo ulit sa pangalawang glass na mineral water na walang halong septilyon is pure mineral water, also dead water. Pangatlong glass, ito naman ang mineral na may halo na septilyon. Okay, itong maganda. Okay. Yun namang mineral water, may halo na septilyon, buhay na buhay. Oh, so ito po yung mineral water na may septilyon. Oh, buhay